Should probably think about what to say first, shouldn't I?
Probably should, yeah.
Hi there, my name's Jack Royal. Some of you may know me as Jack R Design on Instagram, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be the place where I can go into more depth about the ins and outs of graphic design, different softwares, and how to use things like this, and this, all to help you become a much better designer. My design philosophy is simplicity is key, and this is something I apply to all aspects in life. It's an extension of me, and that's what your design should be, an extension of you. People often ask me, where do I get my inspiration from? And the answer to that is, well, everywhere. And by this I mean, I take the time to take in the surroundings and the things around me. Things as simple as having a cup of tea or eating a chocolate bar. Things in my everyday life inspire me just as much as things from my past and my childhood inspire me. This is all stuff that you can learn, and something that I hope to teach you in these videos. So that's it for this video. I'm looking forward to starting this journey with you guys. But most importantly, I want these videos to benefit you. So let me know in the comments what you want to see in future videos. Thank you, see you in the next one. We're done now.
Yeah? Are you done? Anything else you want to add?
Yeah.
You done? Okay.